Hey, today in this video, I will be starting all new series of teaching and the name of the series is Let's Learn. In this series, I will be teaching you some things and I will be differentiating between some of the stuff happening day to day. Today, I will be teaching you about pineapple. So let's start the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Nature Extreme, aka Nature X. Today, I am in my new video. So, without any further ado, let's learn about pineapple. So, before learning about pineapple, let's know what a pineapple is. Pineapple is a tropical plant with edible fruit and most economical significant plant. It is indigenous to South America, where it has been cultivated for many centuries. It is a significant cultural icon of luxury. India comes in a tropical age, and you would have seen many areas in India where pineapples are cultivated. Nutrients in pineapple. It is a great source of nutrients, not calories. If any fitness people who are watching this video, you need not to worry about your weight to be gonna increase. You can read the nutrients by pausing the video. I'm not gonna read those all one by one and waste your time. And however, we are gonna discuss it in the further video. Now let's know about its benefits. Just glance upon it and let's discuss about each of those briefly. Loaded with nutrients. Pineapple also contains a trace amount of vitamin A and K, phosphorus, zinc and calcium. They are especially rich in vitamin C, manganese and provide about 76% of daily recommendation of vitamin C. You know that vitamin C is very important for a good healthy immune system. So eating pineapple shall be a good choice during this pandemic to keep our immunity healthy. Contains disease fighting antioxidants. Not only pineapples are rich in nutrients, they are also loaded with healthy antioxidants. Antioxidants are the molecules that help our body combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a state in which there are too many free radicals in the body. In fact, it is very dangerous for the body and can be a cause of weak immune system and causes harmful diseases. Its enzymes can ease digestion. Pineapple contains a group of digestive enzymes called as or known as bromelain. It helps in the digestion of the food which you eat. If you have a stomach ache or stomach ulcer, eating pineapples will be a nice idea. It even helps to break down proteins. This may aid digestion, especially in those pancreatic insufficiency. So let's move on to the next topic. May help reduce the risk of cancer. Cancer is a chronic disease categorized by uncontrolled cell growth. Its progression is uncommonly linked to the oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. You guys should be knowing that cancer is a overgrowth of a cell or any part of the body which causes different diseases later on during its stages. So eating pineapples reduces the risk of getting all to fight against the cancer. So let's move on to the next one, that is may boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have been a part of traditional medicine for centuries. You will be knowing that some of your parents or grandparents shall say you having pineapples is very good for the body because it gives a lots of vitamins and different nutrients which are needed for the body. May is symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis affects over 54 million adults in the US alone. There are many types of arthritis, but most of them are involved in the inflammation in joints. Since you know that pineapples contain bromelain, it helps to fight against arthritis. So let's move on to the next one, which is may speed up recovery after any surgery. If you had any surgery recently, eating pineapples will recover your injury faster and your wounds will be to normal very soon. Or if you had a very hardcore exercise just now, eating pineapples will help your body to get back to the normal condition as you have been before doing the exercise. In fact, it helps the body to recover very fast. So let's move on to the last one. That the pineapples are delicious and easy to add to the diet. You know, pineapples are very sweet, convenient and easy to add to inappropriate into your diet. You can add those to the breakfast, salad, lunch, dinner, dessert, whenever if you want. Even if you have having a snack instead of having any other kind of junk, just if you have pineapple, cut those. You can add even sugar to the pineapple, and it is very tasty. Adding sugar to the pineapples just enhances taste very much. So at the end, pineapples are very delicious, accessible and easy to add to your diet. So by now, if you are inspired by the pineapples, benefits and qualities, and if you are thinking to grow pineapple at your home, yes you can. I have made a dedicated video on how to grow pineapple. It's up on the I button. You can click upon the I button, or in the last I will be suggesting the video. You can go watch it. And this is just a preview. You learn how to grow pineapple. If you want, you can grow it at home, because going hunting at home by yourself will give a additional while eating it. So this is how pineapple plantation looks like, where thousands of pineapples are harvested and sent to market so that you people can buy those and eat it. If you want, you can even grow those at home, and those will be very much natural because you will be knowing that no chemicals are added to it. So it's very safe for you to eat without any tension. Let's summarize what we have learned. In the first, we have learned what a pineapple is, then the nutrients in pineapple. Again, you can just glance upon the nutrients, then again what's the next. First we have learned what pineapple is, nutrients in pineapple, then benefits. Again, if you want, you can just remember what you have learned right now. That loaded with nutrients and blah blah blah. Come on to the last one again. What a pineapple is, nutrients in pineapple, benefits, and right now we learned how to grow pineapple. Remember that you can grow pineapple at your home, which is safe from all the chemicals. You can even add your own manure to it and grow it in a healthy way, and you can see how it goes, and it will be a wonderful experience for you to see how a pineapple grows and to harvest and eat it. In the last, we have learned that pineapple plantation is done in a huge scale, involved with a large capital. I hope that you knew what I have taught today. So if you want me to make such more videos, give this video a very good response by liking the video, sharing the video and subscribe to the Nature X team. And if you want, comment down which topic should I make the next video. So that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Do like it, share and subscribe to Nature X team for such amazing video. Bye bye.